Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making your site ready and proving ownership. Sign into your Google account and enable two-step verification. This secures payments and account recovery. Once done, open the AdSense signup and enter your site URL and contact details. Make sure your content follows AdSense policies and that you have a visible privacy policy and contact page. You'll also prepare tax and payment details now, because you'll need them to complete settings after initial approval. Now implement the AdSense code and complete verification. You paste the provided code into your site header or use your CMS plugin. This enables ad crawling. Next, verify ownership through DNS, an HTML file, or tag Google will notify you when it's recognized. While awaiting confirmation, set up your payment threshold and enter tax information. This prevents payout delays later. Make sure ad placeholders match your layout so pages load fast and user experience stays high. Finish by reviewing the approval status and resolving any issues. If approved, optimize ad units and placement for revenue while keeping policy compliance. You'll see earnings in reports. If rejected, read the policy email carefully. Common problems are insufficient content, restricted content, or missing ads. TXT and fix them. Once fixed, wait about 2 weeks and submit another review request. If stuck, use the Publisher Console and Help Community. They'll show exact policy violations so you can correct them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.